We're a very old established company. We've been going since 1846. We are a family business. I'm the 5th generation. One of my sons is here who obviously is the 6th generation, and it was really to set the scene for the future of the business long term. With difficult market conditions and the cupola melt operating inefficiently, we decided to build a complete new melt shop. Many years ago we bought a set of furnaces to install. We never did the installation, the time was never right, and we didn't have the confidence to proceed with the project. When the opportunity came to convert from cupola to electric melt, we looked around to have the furnace that we had in store completely overhauled and refurbished and installed, and Meltech were making an offer to carry out that work as well as the new installation. Meltech had provided superb help from the project from day one. Once we decided to go with Meltech, we got the layout, the drawings they provided, which we then passed on to the structural engineers. Everything was functioning around that. The ease of talking to the guys, they speak our language, they've done it in other installations. We haven't done this sort of work for many, many years, and it was great to have support from a company like Meltech all the way through. Their engineers came on site when the job needed doing for the duration. The install went very, very well. It was done on time. We were able to do a soft start. Any final tweaks or things were easily accommodated, but it went very, very well from day one. We've been very, very pleased with the equipment, so much so that when we installed phase 1, which was a refurb furnace and 1 new furnace, that it soon became apparent with the increasing orders that we would need a second new furnace, producing the 3 that we'd allowed for in the design. The IGBT design has given us the latest technology that is producing very good kilowatts per tonne. The connectivity will assist us in fault finding remotely should there be any, and also monitoring the operation of the equipment from turn on in the morning to close down at night. We've been very pleased with the service. When there has been issues, as there is with new equipment, it's been resolved very, very quickly. My team are very pleased. We have had very little downtime that hasn't been resolved very quickly, and the equipment has performed as planned. It was obviously a very, very big step for a company of our size, and having chosen the right people to proceed with the project, it has gone very, very smoothly. We've had people virtually queuing up to work in there rather than saying it's a hard, dirty job. It's obviously much, much better than the cupola. It's more energy efficient, and with the way energy is going and cost, it's been the right decision at the right time. The fact that we chose to start it at the beginning of COVID did produce a delay with the builders. It did not delay the Meltech installation, and we had a good install. We chose to do a soft start, and we turned the whole plant on in January 2021, and we have absolutely no regrets.